Minimizing disco effect in LED lighting, it's an important task and will sooner or later be necessary for our effectively cultivation of spirulina. But I gonna go back to setting of tape.
Now, to be fair, not everything in this construction is whimsically easily fixed. For example, you want the uniformity of lighting good.
Start with a light cluster map and get a feel for it.
And this isn't just light red, it is LED red. Let me start with a little LED lighting strip for a plastic canister, 5 liters as photobioreactor.
In accommodation of the LEDs that gets the most attention is a cluster, a small warm and energy group that just about seems good enough for a colony of thermophilic microalgae huddled in fight and bioreactor.
It tickles me pink that cluster get to make homogeneous pillar of LED that wind up holding a desired light spectrum. But
Before I go back to install, I'm going like think over to see by using imagination what that LED light will look like.